G'day and welcome to Sumo's Projects. This is a review video, by no means sponsored at all. It's something that I did purchase in recent times, wanting to just give a little bit of a display on how it worked and the practicality of it. Quite often clamping down a project, work pieces to do different types of joinery can be an issue as far as how to do it. Dog holes obviously have been around for a long time, and this is just pretty much a new type of hold down system that's available on the market now, and it's really good. So it offers up something to all types of woodworkers, DIYers and people taking on projects. G'day guys, how you going? Welcome to Sumo's Projects. Not long ago I built this brand new workbench, and I purposely had precision dog holes bored into it, because I knew I was going to go out and purchase a particular type of clamping system that I had seen advertised, and I did do that, and went down to my local woodworking hardware store and made the purchase. And this is the Armour Tool set of clamping mechanisms, and also fences that come with it. So it's virtually a 6-pack. In the pack you get 2 of these vertical hold down dog clamps. You get 2 of these horizontal dog work clamps, and you also get a larger and a smaller fence, which this is fully adjustable, so you know you can fine tune where your dog holes are to sit it in, as I previewed before. And also with the horizontal, these drop straight into the dog hole, and then you have like a cam adjustment, and that locks it down into place nicely. And these are just a fantastic technology. I think this particular company, they came up with the Automax technology, which they then I believe gave out the rights to for Craig Tools, and in more recent times perhaps got back this sort of went into production to make their own range of tools. So this is fantastic stuff. I'll give you just a little bit of an inner look to how this works with the mechanism. It's quite interesting, and if you haven't seen how it works, I'll just give you a quick display of that. So you can remove the plastic end cap, and this will allow this shaft then to fully slide out the other way. This is quite interesting for myself, just to see what the what everyone's raving about. Trying to understand a little bit by pulling things apart. You see a spring there. Now the shaft feeds through that spring, and then it feeds through the hole in this little gusset, and then we push the shaft a little bit further along, and there's also a hole in the whole intricate Automax mechanism, which is fully adjustable, has a tensioning system with a nut and also a screw. It's brilliant stuff, and if you buy these, I'd advise you to have a look yourself. If I was to look at any criticisms, and there's probably only the one, and it's not too bad, it's just something you can fix up yourself. This part here, once this slides down and the pressure's applied, because there's a little bit of movement back, it tends to mar the top of the workbench. So the way around this is simply just put a bit of scrap wood and you're right to go. So fantastic. So there you go, guys. Here's a bit of a review of the Armour Tool Auto Adjust Dog Clamp series. That's available nowadays. Just makes your life a lot easier, and especially if you do have dog holes in your workbench or any other type of bench. This is a hold down mechanism that could be something that serves you very well. So if this is the first time you've viewed Sumo's projects, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, and like and share with your friends, and there'll be more reviews to come in the future. So thanks for watching, and get out in the shop and have a bit of fun. Make some good stuff. See yous.